Hello and welcome to the AI Spotlight. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered website creation with a spotlight on Durable AI. Durable AI is revolutionizing the way websites are built. This robust application harnesses the power of AI to create a fully built, professional-grade website complete with copy, graphics, and a contact form, all in under a minute. But that's not all. Durable AI also offers AI copywriting, SEO, analytics, and a basic CRM system, all under one roof. Let's walk through how it works. After signing up on the Durable AI platform, you're guided through an easy-to-follow process. Choose a template that resonates with your vision, or allow Durable AI to suggest one based on your input. Then, fill in some basic information about your business or project. Sit back and watch as the AI works its magic, generating engaging copy, proposing eye-catching graphics, and even offering up business name suggestions if you're still in the brainstorming phase. Once your website is live, you're not left in the lurch. Durable AI's integrated SEO and analytics tools help ensure your site not only looks fantastic but also ranks well in search engine results. Moreover, the platform's CRM system allows you to manage customer relationships efficiently, right from your dashboard. Consider the case of a small business owner needing to quickly carve out a space online. With Durable AI, they could whip up a professional website, complete with SEO-optimized copy and visuals, in the blink of an eye, leaving them more time to focus on the other demands of their business. If you found this AI application as exciting as we did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more illuminating content. Stay tuned for more AI spotlights where we'll continue to explore how AI is changing our world. Thanks for watching.